In this video, we are going to talk about connecting a Maytag Pet Pro dryer using the Maytag app. Before trying the connection steps, you have to make sure that your router supports the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, because this product is not compatible with the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. During the entire connection process, the phone with the Maytag app has to be connected to the 2.4 Wi-Fi network. Also, you will need to install the app on your phone and create an account in it. You can use any smart mobile device like iPhone, iPad, or any Android phones or tablets to download and install the Maytag app. Once this is available, we are now ready to start the connection process. For the video purpose, I'm using an iPhone, and on my phone I've already installed the Maytag app and I'm logged into it. Similarly, we do have a Maytag Pet Pro dryer on which we will be trying the connection steps. So let's open the app, and here again you have to make sure that your phone is connected to the 2.4 network. If not, you have to go to your phone Wi-Fi settings and switch to the correct network. So I have verified my phone is connected to the correct network, and I'm going to tap on the plus option to add the dryer, and then tap on add an appliance. Select the appliance type as dryer. Select the image which has the Pet Pro label. Now we are on the app screen, which is giving us the steps to enable Bluetooth. The first instruction is to power on the appliance. Let's do that. Tap on the power option to turn on the dryer. Come back to the app and swipe left on the app screen to see the second instruction, and that is to press the remote start button. So let's tap on the remote start button on the dryer. Now the dryer display shows use the Maytag app to set up appliance. Come back to the app and tap on connect to Bluetooth. The app will be now trying to locate the dryer. So the dryer has now shown up on the app. Now let's tap on connect. Now we are in the Bluetooth pairing step, where we will be getting a pairing pop-up with a 6-digit pairing number with an option to pair. Tap on pair, select the checkbox, select continue, and then tap on the start button. Now we are on the Wi-Fi credentials screen, where you will be able to see your home Wi-Fi network name. Make sure this is your 2.4 network, and then enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Please note the password is case sensitive. After ensuring that the Wi-Fi credentials are right, tap on connect to Wi-Fi. Now we have reached the final stage of the connection process, where the dryer will be added to the Maytag app account in approximately 2 minutes. So the dryer is now connected, and we have the option in the app to name it. I'm going to call it as Fresh Clothes, and then tap on done. So we now see that the dryer is online. By this, we have successfully added the dryer to the Maytag app account, and once the remote enable option is turned on, you will be able to start cycles from the app. Now with that, we move on to the next part of this video. In this portion of the video, we are going to see how you can start a simple cycle from the app. We see that the remote start is in the on state. Now tap on the new cycle option. Select any cycle of your choice. I'm going to select normal, and then tap on the start option. Now we see that the cycle has started on the appliance, and the same information is available on the app screen too. You have the option to pause the cycle or cancel it. So I'm going to cancel the cycle. The cycle is cancelled. By this, we have come to the end of this video, where we have shown you how you can connect your dryer using the app, and then we have also shown you how you can start a simple cycle from the app. By getting your appliance online, you have access to various smart features like real-time notifications, voice control using Alexa and Google Home, and many more. If you have any questions or concerns connecting your appliance to Wi-Fi or app features, you can contact us at 866-333-4591. Thank you.